Hi, this is Jackson Ng. I've been a business consultant, trainer, author, and also coach for the past 18 years. This year, we have chosen a project and we want to do it as a CSR, corporate social responsibility. We want to help a lot of business owners, businessmen and entrepreneurs and future entrepreneurs in many common challenges. Questions people ask like, why businesses fail? Why in the first 3 years, more than 70% of businesses close down? How do you profit from a business? Should you hire many staff or should you use less people and more machine? Questions like, what is the key X factor to making your business grow and profitable? So there are many questions that people ask, and this program will be the answer to your questions. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are a businessman, a business owner, and entrepreneur, this program is designed to answer some of your key questions. We cover topics like the meaning of entrepreneurship, branding and positioning. How do you brand and position your products and services and help customers remember you? We also help you to turn talent into money. A lot of people went into the wrong business with zero talent. They rely on employees and they close down their business. Area number 4, we teach you how to do R&D, research and development, before you setting up your business. Or if you already have a business, how do you do R&D to improve your quality and your services? We also cover the area like how do you come up with a $1 million business plan? How do you come up with a plan and you can grow your business by having a 1 year, 5 year and 10-year plan? And when you don't have customers, where do you find customers? How do you keep them? And how do you involve your customers to be part of your advertisers? We also cover this area. And how do you manage your customers? How do you keep them happy and stay longer with you? And the last area we cover is how do you recruit and you grow your talent? Because if you don't have good talent, your company will not grow. Very importantly, also we cover area like business projection. If you have a funder ready to fund your business, what will be your business proposal to them? Ladies and gentlemen, a lot of businessmen, a lot of entrepreneurs and business owners are worried about cash flow. They blame the environment, they blame the economy, they blame the customers. But what can you do in this challenging time? What can you do to grow, expand, and enhance your business? Come to this program and I'll be excited to help you find some of the key answers to your business challenges. This is Jackson, the coach for Entrepreneurship Development Program. Thank you.